Hello, I am Pharmacist. Today we talk about first-generation cephalosporins. Names. The first-generation cephalosporins include 1. Cefazolin 2. Cefalixin 3. Cefadroxil. Pharmacology. As previously mentioned, first-generation cephalosporins are beta-lactam antibiotics that inhibit bacterial cell wall synthesis by binding to penicillin-binding proteins, PBPs. They are bactericidal and have a broad spectrum of activity against gram-positive bacteria, including Staphylococci and Streptococci, as well as some gram-negative bacteria such as Escherichia coli and Klebsiella pneumoniae. Uses. The uses of first-generation cephalosporins depend on the specific drug, but they are commonly used for the treatment of mild to moderate infections, such as skin and soft tissue infections, respiratory tract infections, and urinary tract infections. They are also used for surgical prophylaxis. Side effects. The most common side effects of first-generation cephalosporins include gastrointestinal disturbances, such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Other potential side effects include hypersensitivity reactions, such as rash and anaphylaxis, and hematologic effects, such as leukopenia and thrombocytopenia. Contraindications. First-generation cephalosporins are contraindicated in patients with a history of hypersensitivity to cephalosporins or penicillins. Pregnancy. First-generation cephalosporins are generally considered safe for use during pregnancy. Warnings. Patients with a history of hypersensitivity reactions to penicillin should be closely monitored when receiving first-generation cephalosporins. Drug interactions. First-generation cephalosporins may interact with other drugs, such as aminoglycosides, by increasing the risk of nephrotoxicity and ototoxicity. Dose. The usual dose of cefazolin is 1–2 grams every 8 hours, depending on the severity of the infection. The usual dose of cefalixin is 250–500 mg every 6 hours, depending on the severity of the infection. The usual dose of cefadroxil is 500 mg every 12 hours or 1 gram every 24 hours. Thank you.